Hey everyone, welcome back. Today it's going to be a shop day. Need to organize, get ready for this new slab flattener that is coming, and we need to make room for it. So we have some tools and some wood that's currently in a spot where it's going to be going. We have a little bit of time, probably not to the end of the month, beginning of April. This thing is expected to be delivered and set up, but we want to go ahead and get ahead of this before we're under the gun and then having to just put stuff everywhere. So I want to stay a little bit more organized and kind of go from there. We also this weekend have 8 IBC totes being delivered that we're going to start storing firewood in to dry out in the elements. It just takes too long to dry from wet in the kiln. Just a little bit longer turnover than I would prefer. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. See what we can get into. While I was cleaning up the shop, one of the things that I found was some extra stickers that we have. We use these to separate each layer of slabs and lumber that go into the kiln. This allows for proper airflow above and below each of the slabs. Proper airflow is very key in even and proper drying of the lumber. And when these become misshapen, malformed, broken, whatever the case might be, we are repurposing these into kindling because they've already been through the kiln drying process. These are very dry and very ready to burn. So we're going to take a look here about how we cut them up and then package them for resale. So I mentioned earlier in the video that the slab flattener is coming, but I didn't really give you guys a sneak peek. So let's take a look at it here. The model that we're getting will flatten up to 52 inches wide and 9 feet long and up to 12 inches thick. It has a 12-inch wide spiral cutting head on it that is attached to a 5 horsepower motor. This thing will chew through anything we throw at it. Alright guys, so we got a lot done today. I got the firewood moved over, I got some bundles of kindling bundled up, ready for resale, and we also got this area that I'm standing in clean. I couldn't stand here, earlier today. So you can see the sign behind me. This is one that we'd actually had bought and had printed out when we were doing charcuterie and cutting boards and taking them and trying to sell them at shows. So we wanted to repurpose this since we're not doing that anymore. And so yeah, I think this is going to be the new backdrop. I need to obviously get some stuff fixed here. I'd like to get this thing centered a little more with the kiln, but right now what we're using are the eye hooks that are on top of the kiln, and I can't really move those since they're welded on. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. But yeah, progress. This is awesome. So again, thanks for hanging out with us. Hit that like button, consider subscribing if you haven't, share with your friends or your family members, whoever you think might like this, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.